Today I brought you another recipe, making your own peanut oil. This is very easy. Some people call it groundnut oil, some call it peanut oil. They're all the same. You might be thinking it's so difficult to make. Worry no more. I made it so simple for you to follow. All you need to do is just to watch the steps and you will get it right. Here I'm using 2.5 kg of peanuts. So I'll be roasting it with my air fryer. So you can roast it as you want, but I choose to use the air fryer. So I'll be roasting it on 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna roast it on 2 batches. So if today is the first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Thank you for coming by. As you're roasting it with air fryer, make sure you from time to time open it, shake it, mix it up so that it can cook evenly. So the first batch is done. So I'll let it to cool off and do the second batch. All done. So now I'll be peeling it off to remove the skin from the peanut. Yes, there's other method you can get this done quickly, but I choose to use this method. Okay, now I'll be blending it with this blender. Make sure you use a good blender that can blend your peanut without water. That's why I just use this blender. So you don't need to add any water while blending it. You just have to blend it on its own. So I'll sprinkle it and continue the blending. So I have to blend this until it forms a paste. So you can see it's already a paste. So all done, I'll scoop it out. So I'll do the same for the rest of the peanuts. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll not show the whole process. So now all done. So now I'll be mixing everything now. I added water, just room temperature water. As you add the water and you keep mashing on it, please add the water bit by bit. So you can see the texture is already changing. Yes, as you're adding the water, please keep checking on it. Don't add too much water, just bit by bit. You can see how the texture look like. So you have to check to make sure before you add more water. So at this time it's very pliable. You can see the oil is already coming out. So all you need to continue doing is to keep mashing on the peanut paste. So you can see the oil is already coming out. So at this time you don't need to add any more oil. You can see the texture, how it looks like. So for you to know when you are making your own, don't add too much water. So these are the oil. keep mashing on it to get more oil out. So I'll be scooping the oil out. So you can see, all you need to do is just to follow the step and you'll get it right. Now we have our peanut oil. Very easy to make. Just follow the step and you'll get it right. So I'll continue to mash it to get more oil out. You can see more oils are still coming out. So remember, if you are seeing my video for the first time, please, you are highly welcome, and please remember to like my video, comment, and please share. Yes, don't just watch and go. Please watch, like it, comment, and share so that others will get to see my video. Thank you. You can see all the oil is like already drained up. So do you think you'll be trying this? Does it worth it? Tell me what you think on the comment section. If you think it worth mixing your own oil. I'm trying to get all the oil out. So now I'll be using this. You see the oil that I got? Then this chaff, I'll be using it for another recipe. Just watch out for the next one. So here I was able to get like 700 milliliters of oil. So it's amazing. From 2.5 kg peanuts. Yes. Do you think it works making your own oil? For me, I think it's good. At least I'm sure of what I'm eating. If you can make it, why do you need to buy? You know, there's joy you feel when you can make something you're using. Yes. You can see my oil is ready. I'm so happy. I hope you get to try this recipe, making your own peanut oil. It's very easy. Just follow the step and you will get it right. You can see. Very easy to make. Hope you will try it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.